You'll learn how to fix a black screen on your Sony TV. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, we need to go onto the TV itself because the problem may be with your remote not powering on your TV correctly. So let's go onto the TV and go and locate its power button. Either it's going to be on the left hand side, in the middle, or on the right hand side. So for example, the power button may be under here, or it'll be on the left or the right on the back. As you can see here, we've got a power button here. So try pressing that and go and see if your TV powers on. If the TV then goes and powers on, then this shows it's a problem with the remote, and maybe you should try putting some new batteries in it and go and see if that fixes the problem. However, if after pressing that button, your TV still remains black, then let's get into the next fix. For the next fix, we're going to do something called a power cycle, and this will completely sort of refresh the TV. And to go and do that, we need to go and power down the TV. So what you can do is just go and unplug it. So what you can do is just come to the plug and unplug it like so, or if you've got a switch, you can switch it off. 30 seconds has now passed, so I'm gonna go and plug the TV back in like so, make sure it's switched on as well. And now let's go and see if the problem has been fixed. Come back to your TV and try turning it back on. You can try using the remote, but definitely try using the button on the TV itself in case there's another problem with your remote. Once again, here's my power button, which I'll press, and let's go and see if that fixes it. And the TV should then go and power on. So if you're finding that the power button on the TV itself works, but the remote doesn't, then definitely try putting some new batteries in the remote, and that should get it working. I hope you guys found this useful.